Welcome back. In this video, we're going to look at the second part of the format options, the course format options. In the previous video, you already saw this part, course information. Now we're going to see section navigation. MooTube support three types of section navigation. We have drop-down, button, and cards. Let me show you an example. Here, all sections are shown within this drop-down. To go to the section, you can just click on this link. That is straightforward. And the second type is buttons. Here is the example. Each section is a button. You click on the button, then you can go to that particular section. It's scrollable. There's a button that you can click to scroll left and scroll right. The active section is always in the middle, or if you click on this one, then it will, the list will be scrolled to the middle like this. And then finally we have card. If you click card, you see that there are more options that you can set, unlike a drop down and button, which are straightforward. So here's an example of the card type. Here you have card as grid, and another example here. You have card as list, which also show the description as well as the title. Here we have some options that you can set. The first one is use short name. If you have a very long section name and you want to use the short name instead, you can choose this option. This is particularly useful for button type. For example, here, if you have a very long name, you're going to have a very large button as well. So you don't want to show a large button, right? So if you have multiple buttons with long names, then it will be difficult to scroll. So we provide the option for you to use the short name. For example, here, lesson, which is the short name, while the long name is lesson activity demo. To set the short name, just open the format section format option. Here you have the section name at the top, and you have the option to set the short name as well here. If you leave this empty, then this section name will be used for the short name. We have section number. If you look here, you can see that there's a number before the section title. So if you want to show this number automatically, you can check this option. Otherwise, you can uncheck this option here. So yes, so the number is shown here, here, and here. If you check the number, you will see the number like this. And for the cards, it's the same. If you show the number, you get this number on the card as well as on the section header. Show all video tabs. This is useful if you have uh, interactive videos in different sections and you want to show the complete list of the videos within one tab. Let me show you an example. Here, if you enable this option, you will see this all videos icon here. This displays all the videos within the course. And if the student or the participant click on this title, the section title, you will get to the specific section that houses the video. All right. Show search, that is this one. Um, if you want to disable this option, you can just uncheck this box. By default, it's on. Sticky navigation. If you look at this here, this is the navigation. This is the navigation. In this example, this is sticky. It's always on the top. But in this example, if you uncheck this option, it goes with the page scroll. And then we have section label that provides you different options on how you want to call a section. You want to call it week, unit, topics, category, chapter. It's up to you. There are multiple options here. In this example, I'm going to choose topic here. And if you select cards, you'll see more options here that you can set. We have show as lists, like this one. We have show section title if you want to show section title like this or like this. We choose show title on card. It will be displayed like this, which is on top of the card. Otherwise, the section title will be shown at the bottom of the card. Or right here to the left of the card. Show activity count. Here, activities. It shows a number of completable activities within the session. Zero gap. If you check this box and click save, you can see that the cards are now very close to each other and there aren't any rounded edges. Here, horizontal scroll, if you want the cards to be shown as a one row and it's scrollable, you can check this option. Click save. There you go. Now it's in one row and you can scroll it back and forth. Show section selector. For example, here, if you go to this section, you will see this drop down that you can navigate to different section quickly. Otherwise, you have to click on the home button here and then go to the section. So this is a section selector. You can hide or you can show it based on your preference. Card size, we have different options here. For example, 3 by 4. This is the 3:4 ratio. And then we have icon position. Let me show you an example. Here you can set an icon for the card or for a section, not specifically the card, but for the whole section. And with this option, icon position, you can tell where that icon will be shown on the card, whether it's at the top left or top right or middle, and you can also hide the icon on the card completely using this hidden option. Also keep in mind that icon position can be changed for a specific section. So when you create a new section, you can update the icon position for that specific section. Okay, and then we have fallback card background. This is for when you don't provide the section image, the card image. So in that case, what do you want to use? You want to use a solid color or you want to use a pattern? Right, so if you select pattern, then let me save this. Now you see this auto-generated pattern that you can use. If you use solid color, this is the solid color with random colors for the cards. Here base color, if you leave this option empty, the colors will be taken from the course card color in your size setting. And if you want to use a specific color for all the cards, you can choose the color here. And I use a red as an example and click save. Now all the cards are red. Pattern. By default, it is a random pattern, but you can change it. Say I'll choose pattern and I want to use played. Click save. Now we have the same patterns with a red background. And finally, we have this instruction that you can show at the top of the card list like this. And when you specify the instructions here, you can see that there's a toggle button at the top. Okay. So that covers everything in the section navigation. I'll see you in the next video. We're going to talk about course activity.